Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Physics Inside. Today I have brought to you a practical video related to meter bridge. In this video I'll be teaching you about how to find out the value of unknown resistance by using meter bridge. In this experiment we will use battery eliminator, wires, meter bridge, galvanometer, a jockey. Let me introduce you about the equipments, how they look, and then we will see how we will connect them in a circuit to find out the value of unknown resistance. So let's proceed to the device. So students, this is my device, meter bridge. Now you will be curious to know about why this device is called meter bridge. This device is called meter bridge because it has a constant ton wire that has been connected with the two terminals, one terminal this side and same terminal and similar terminal that side on a 1 meter scale. So that's why due to this assembly this device is named as meter bridge. This device is called jockey and it is a pen shaped. We will use its terminal at the top for connecting the wire. One terminal is, its one end is very sharp like a pen and we have to move it over the wire very gently. Now this is my jockey. Then we are using here a resistance box of small resistance. Now we are using here a thread insulated copper wire for making connections, a battery eliminator, unknown resistance, we have to find out the resistance of this resistance, a one-way key, a galvanometer. As now students you are familiar with the apparatus, so let's see how to connect them in an experimental circuit and then we will proceed for working. Now let's connect this unknown resistance between these two terminals. Now we have connected the unknown resistance with this terminal. In this black box of unknown resistance, I have connected a wire of 15 centimeter of unknown resistance. It's your wish, you can connect that wire directly. I have just connected to make it handy for the students so that wire should not hurt the students while connecting. Now we will connect the known resistance box with the two terminals on the other side. We will connect it here. Now let's connect jockey via galvanometer with this terminal of meter bridge. This terminal. With this terminal we have to connect jockey via galvanometer. Now let's connect the battery eliminator in such a way that its positive terminal is on one side and negative terminal is on second side. We have to connect the one-way key in between any of the one wire. So I have connected the negative terminal of battery eliminator via key to the other terminal. So let's see how. So this is my experimental setup students. I have connected all the electronic devices. Now let's proceed for taking the readings. After switching on the device, how we will see that we have connected our apparatus the right way. Initially, galvanometer is giving you the zero reading. Now when you touch it towards the left terminal, your galvanometer deflects towards left. And now when you are touching this jockey with the right terminal, your galvano is deflecting towards the right, you can see. If this situation arises, this means the circuit which you have connected is right. So now let's proceed for the readings. After switching on the battery eliminator, just insert a key in it. Plugging out the 5 ohm key from a non-resistance box, you have to take the jockey and have to slide very gently over this wire and very smoothly this constant ton wire. Just see what happens. When you touch the end of the wire, your galvanometer deflect completely towards left as you are sliding very gently till the galvanometer gives you a zero reading again. For that you have to note the reading. We are getting it here at 24.5. Now again insert this key back, and now we have to repeat this process 3-4 times for taking out the number of more readings. So now I have plugged out from here the 10 ohm key. Earlier I was plugging out the 5 ohm key, now I have plugged out the 10 ohm key. Now again start sliding the jockey over the wire till galvanometer gets 0 reading. Very gently you have to do, very politely. Now you get it is at 35.4. For the next reading, now I am plugging out 30 ohm resistance, and now you can see galvanometer is at 0 division. Now we start sliding from this point. Again galvanometer has shown deflection in one way. Now let's sliding the jockey over the wire. And you get 0 at 61.3. As students, now we have taken the readings, so now let's proceed for the calculations. These are the readings that we have recorded while taking observations. As we know, meter bridge works on the principle of balanced Wheatstone bridge. Applying the formula, obtain the value of unknown resistance X for each observation. After doing this, now let's find out the mean of all observations. After taking mean, we have obtained our value of unknown resistance to be 17.52 ohms. Now in order to calculate the specific resistance of a material, we need to calculate the diameter of a wire. How to calculate the diameter of wire? We have shown in our previous experiments where we have used the screw gauge for finding out the diameter of a wire. We will follow the same method, and now we have obtained the diameter of wire is approximately to be 0.91 mm. Link of that experiment is in the description. You can watch by clicking on the link. As we know that the length of wire is 15 centimeter. Substituting all these values in SI units in the formula below, and we have obtained the value for specific resistance to be 75.92 into 10 raised power minus 6 ohm meters. With this we have ended up with our experiment. I hope you all liked the video. Experiment is clear to you. Keep supporting us students by liking and sharing our video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.